Oh yeah, I like this song. School's out for the summer. Oh, hi there. Sorry, doesn't quite feel like it's summer. Looking out my window, there's a lot of white stuff on the ground, but school is almost out. In fact, this is our last week of classes at Red Deer College, and so this is my last video, and I have just a couple of announcements for you. So we're in the home stretch. So just a reminder to check out the Q&A, which are posted on our website just above this video. And also check out the highlighted links below that indicate the work that remains. Just some other reminders to fill out your course participation rubrics and to copy those into your Google folders so that I can access them. And just a reminder that all work needs to be done by this Wednesday, April 8th by 4 o'clock. So just a reminder, make sure all your work is visible in your Google folder. So you might want to double check that it's the folder you shared with me at the start of term. Okay, just a reminder as well, it's the end of term, so good luck on end of term projects and exams. Make sure to check out the guidelines for those, the mark sheets, and ask any questions. This is the week to do that. So you want to make sure that things are as clear for you as possible as you finish this term on a strong note. Okay, this week will be my last virtual sessions as well. And as I said, this is our last video. So make sure to check things out. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. And lastly, I want to thank you for a very interesting but unusual term. It started off so well, and things were going so well. But I'm really proud of the work that you've done in finishing this term in these unique situations. So congratulations on your term. It's been a joy to teach you, and I hope I get to do so again, but face to face. So all the best. Take care of yourself and stay healthy. And I'll sign off with a little Alice Cooper. Take care.